Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 5, the Rambo. SLOs of this lesson are physical description of a person or thing moving from general to specific, change and use degrees of regular and irregular adjectives. Today we are going to discuss the regular and irregular adjectives. In our previous lesson we have discussed the adjectives of quality, quantity and absolute adjectives. So here the regular adjectives make their comparative and superlative forms either by adding the suffix er and est or use more and most. Suffix are the two letters or one syllabus. When we add to the word, it changes its meaning. For example, red, redder, reddest; pretty, prettier, prettiest; beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Let me give you another example too. Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. This is the positive degree, this is the comparative degree, and this one is the superlative degree. Irregular adjectives do not make their comparative and superlative forms by adding the suffix er or est or more and most. For example, the comparative for bad is bad, worse, worst. You can see there is no er and est to make it comparative and superlative, like better and baddest. It can't be the right one. The right one is bad, worse or worst here. So we have an activity here. Write down the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. Also classify whether the adjective is regular or irregular. So for bad we have discussed is the worst and the worst is the comparative and superlative degree. So this is irregular. Write like this in an abbreviation form, in a short form. For, more for, most for. Yes, this is the regular adjective here because we have the comparative and superlative degree of it, like farther or farthest. The big, bigger and biggest. This is the regular here. Good is also a regular, better and best. Yes, little, more little. This is the irregular adjective here, and the most little. We have an activity here, writing activity. Write a paragraph in your notebooks describing the picture below with the help of word bank below. We have descriptive adjectives when we talk about quality, like condition. Condition can be hot, cold, rainy and sunny. Shape can be round, rectangular, square and oval. And the size could be small, big, thin and long. Value can be beautiful, smart, shy and rich. And the color is red, blue, yellow and black. You can see the elephant is big here. For example, the color of the parrot is red here. So you have to describe these animals, this picture here, with the help of this word bank here, the descriptive adjective. Why we call it descriptive adjective? Because it tells you more about the noun, the color, the size, the value, the shape, the condition, everything. You have to write a simple note on it or paragraph on it in your notebook and describe the picture. We have so many animals here. You can see lots of here today. And the boy and girl too. It's kind of a zoo picture. This is your homework from Summer Pack. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.